Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Let's get our ingredients ready to make the garlic chicken. In the tray, we have black soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, which is a soy sauce, and of course, the fish sauce. Any brand is fine. Our white pepper, and we have our black pepper. You could use any choice of meat you want, but today I'm going to use chicken breast. My husband bought cabbage today, so I'm going to add that to the garlic chicken. So to the pan, I'm just adding fresh minced garlic. Cook it on medium heat until it's golden brown. I wish you guys could smell it. Garlic oil, oh my God, it smells so good. So once that's golden brown, I'm taking out a little bit and I'll show you later on what I'm going to do with it. Go ahead and add the chicken breast. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good with the garlic. Now that the chicken is cooked, let's add in our ingredients, which was the black pepper, the white pepper, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. I mentioned that I'm using cabbage earlier, but you could use whatever you want. I use carrots sometimes, broccoli, just whatever I have in the fridge. Oh, look at the sauce. So saucy. My family loves it because we eat it with over steamed rice. I don't like my cabbage too soggy and cooked. I kind of like it like where it's still crunchy but halfway cooked. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. Yay, finally done. Now let's plate it. I just added some steamed rice and slice up some cucumber. Remember that garlic I told you to set aside? What I do is just sprinkle it on the garlic chicken. It's very crispy and yummy. Please comment below if you would make this.